Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Jet Spring Straps. So these are a pair of spring straps. I've only got one with me today, but trust me, they do come in a pair. And these basically replace the spring heels or the really old like plastic rubber ratchet straps on your jet fins. So these are a metal spring on the inside. They're protected by this sort of Cordura sheath, but they don't have any sort of grab handles or thumb loops or anything to get snagged whilst you're in the water. So very strong and reliable. They've got these screw sort of nut and bolt attachment points. So that's going to attach really securely onto your fins. And then on the inside of the spring as well, you actually have a nylon cord. So even if anything should happen, it's never going to separate. It's going to just go to its maximum length. So all in all, a very tough pair of spring heels. Just makes it very easy to get your fins on and off. And because they don't have any sort of snag hazards on there, they're definitely for technical divers as well. And because it's that metal spring, it's nice and strong and reliable compared to the sort of bungee heel straps that you can get. These are the Scubapro Jet Spring Straps. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.